Well, the People's Conference chairperson Sajjad Lone has announced his party's exit from the People's Alliance for Gupkar declaration, citing a breach of trust. He claimed some constituents of the 7-member group also fielded proxy candidates in the recent District Development Council elections.
Nearly a month after winning a majority in the local body poll, the People's Alliance for Gupkar declaration in Jammu and Kashmir suffered a major blow after People's Conference chief Sajjad Lone announced to quit. Lone was part of the alliance of opposition parties in the valley, which included the People's Democratic Party, National Conference and CPM, with Congress giving outside support.
Within a month of results of the District Development Council polls, the People Alliance for the Gupkar declaration, which was formed saying that it has been formed for a broader goal, has now split into parts. The People's Jammu Kashmir People Conference, led by Sajjad Lone, has decided to part its ways from the Gupkar Alliance.
Lone was the spokesperson for the alliance. In a letter addressed to Gupkar Alliance President Farooq Abdullah, said, "On the face of it, PAGD won these elections unambiguously, having won the maximum number of seats. We can't hide statistics, and apart from the number of seats that PAGD won, other important statistical variable in the context of abrogation of Article 370 is the number of votes polled against the PAGD." Hinting at internal breach of trust within the party, Lone said he believed the votes cast against the PAGD were done mostly by proxies of PAGD. The former Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister Kavinder Gupta too took a dig at what the opposition calls the unholy alliance.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के डर से डीडीसी इलेक्शन में खड़े हुए थे, तो ये तो टूटना ही था, ये ज़्यादा देर चल भी नहीं सकते। ये सभी लीडरों की पार्टी है, ना कि जनता की पार्टी थी।
खुद गर्ज और मौका परस्तों का इतिहाद झूठ पे बना था और इन्होंने जब डीडीसी के इलेक्शन हुए थे, उन्होंने ये कहा था कि हम 370 वापस लाएंगे, 35 वापस लाएंगे। अब इन गैंग में से कुछ साथियों ने इस हकीकत को तस्लीम किया है कि 370 मीटर अंदर ज़मीन के अंदर घुस गया और ये वापस नहीं आ सकता, नामुमकिन है। अब इस हकीकत को जानते हुए अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उन्होंने गैंग से पुल आउट करना शुरू कर दिया।
And sooner the better, because it was a coming together of parties of which had inherent contradictions with their ideology, with their politics, and they just came together to set up a narrative that they could bring back Article 370 and 35A.
Evidently, cracks within the party are beginning to widen, and here's what leaders from the alliance had to say after Lone's announcement.
More of them would be, going apart. As we all know, as students of politics, that National Conference and PDP, the main constituents of this alliance, had been fighting each other on the ground ever since the inception of PDP.
With prominent leader quitting the alliance, is this the beginning of the fall of the Farooq Abdullah-led 7-party coalition? Bureau Report, Republic TV.